Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen from Home Unez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be planning out the week of March 29th through April 4th, and I am using this kit from Sassyplannerco called Lavender Fields. It is definitely a kit that is from my older planning style. I bought a ton of kits in this very similar style with like the rounded half boxes, a lot of the little things, glitter headers, at the very beginning of my planner journey before I found decorative planning back when I was like doing functional planning, and I kind of moved on from this style and, you know, moved into foiled kits and more decorative stuff, and these kits kind of fell by the wayside. But as I was going through my stash this past week, I found this kit and I loved the artwork in it, the boxes and like the light pastel colors. I'm like, okay, I love this. So I pull in a lot of foil, and I actually had a lot of fun pulling together this spread and utilizing bits and pieces from like my older planning style with the way that I enjoy planning now. So that long rant aside, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then get back to you with the day to day. So for this spread, I had a ton of fun pulling in a whole bunch of Sadie Stickers deco pieces to add foil to this spread. Underneath the date covers, I pull in the fancy dividers from my most recent sticker haul from Sadie Stickers. In the sidebar and all throughout the spread, I channel my best Rachel from Gathered Plans and try and use those dotted garlands and deco pieces to the best of my ability. I had a lot of fun trying to like get creative with how I wanted to pull foil into this spread. And I think it turned out good. I also had to reach into my like leftover sticker book to pull in boxes and labels and things like that, because this kit had a lot of rounded half boxes and a lot of like patterned boxes, and I'm just like, I wasn't vibing with that. So I had to reach for my leftover sticker book quite a bit. But anyways, I completely talked over the first thing on Monday, but that's just me uploading my plan with me. I pull in a circle from Miss and Meow, some flowers from Florina Paperie. The dotted garland is from Sadie Stickers, along with those hanging crystals, and the planner is from Planning World. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I had to get up really early on this day, because if you guys have been following the saga of my car the past couple of weeks, so I got a recall notice on my car. Well, first of all, like the tires went out, I had to get new tires, and then I got a recall notice, a safety recall notice that a part needed to be replaced. So this was the day that I had to go and get that done. So I marked getting up early because I wanted the earliest appointment that I could possibly get at Toyota, because I knew it was going to take a long freaking time. So to mark getting up early, I pulled in a label from the kit, or this is the third box from the kit. The alarm clock is from Crafts by Towie. The dotted line divider is from Sadie Stickers. Then to mark the Toyota appointment, I pull in a car from the GP Studio. That green deco piece is actually from a leftover kit from Jackson Pepper. I do pull in some little sparkle mini deco pieces from Sadie Stickers. And then I just wrote that I had a Toyota appointment. It took 6 hours for them to fix my car. And you would think that that would be over with, but alas, stay tuned. There's more. The next thing I wanted to mark is that to kind of try and clear my head and like get over some stuff. I went to the gym with my husband that night, and I pull in a label from my leftover sticker book. The dotted garlands are from Sadie Stickers, and the dumbbells are from the Glitter Mama. Okay, then the next thing I wanted to mark is that this was the night that I completely just had like a meltdown. There was just so much stuff that kept piling up. And I'll probably go into it more as the spread goes on, but I was just like feeling so overwhelmed and I had so much anxiety. So I literally had a meltdown on this night. So to mark that, I pull in that little framed box from Crafts by Towie. I layered that with some stickers from Florina Paperie. The little girl with the blanket is from Fox and Pip, and then the hanging crystals are from Sadie Stickers. Okay, so jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing that I marked is that I generally teach a HIIT class with my sister on Tuesdays at 10 a.m., but she was out of town on this week, so I was completely in charge of the class by myself, which was another thing that was like kind of giving me stress and anxiety because like I didn't want to let her down because I was kind of teaching her portion of the class as well, and it's like it's such a little thing to be stressed out about, but it like for some reason with everything else going on, I was like just overwhelmed. So like that was another part of my breakdown the night before because I really wanted to do well on that class. It went well, by the way, in case y'all are wondering. But to mark that, I do pull in a little swatch from Miss and Meow. The deco piece is from Honey Inked. The yoga mat is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that me and a friend of mine went and got a salad for lunch. So to mark that, I pull in another third box from the kit. The salad bowl is from Paper Shire, and all the dotted garlands are from Sadie Stickers. Okay, then I wanted to mark that I had to go back to Toyota on this day because when they replaced the fuel pump in my car, they forgot to do the rewiring or reset on the fuel gauge. So when I topped off my tank that night, it didn't say that I had any gas. It was still like on E, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is happening? And my husband was like, it's okay, just turn the car off, maybe it just needs to reset. And it didn't, and so I had to go back to Toyota this day for them to fix it, and that took another 2 hours at the dealership, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so over it. So to mark that, I pull in a scallop circle from Megby Makes. The car is from GP Studio, and the UGG script is a custom that my mom made for me. Then when I came home, I told my husband, I said, I just need a nap, I need to sleep. So I took a nap. So to mark that, I pull in another scallop circle from Miss and Meow. The floral is from Florina Paperie. The dot garlands are from Sadie Stickers, and the couch icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband watched the movie Bad Trip, which is kind of a comedy. It's in the same similar format from like Jackass or Bad Grandpa. It's kind of like the, stupid comedy, if you guys are into that. So yeah, to mark that, I pull in a scallop label from the kit, and the TV console is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, so jumping over to Wednesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I had my Zoom class on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, some more florals from Florina Paperie, the shoe is from the Glitter Mama, and the little flourish is from Panda Bird Design. Then I wanted to mark that I got some Happy Mail on that day, which is always something that lifts my spirit. Stickers just make things better. So I pull in another label that I pulled from my leftover sticker book. The mailer is from the Glitter Mama, the Happy Mail script is from the kit, and the dot banners are from Sadie Stickers. Okay, then I wanted to mark that I was literally on the phone. Okay, so earlier in the week, something else that was like stressing me out was I got a notification that my bank needed to verify my identity. Otherwise, they were gonna like close my account, and there was like a lot of financial stuff I had to do. I had to get my birth certificate. I was born in California. I live in Texas. My dad was in the Navy, so we had to send away from my birth certificate because it got lost whenever we moved. So that was like a whole deal. And then on this day, I had to have all of my identification and get a video call with someone who could like see me physically holding my birth certificate, my social security card, and my license, so they could verify that it was me. And I was on the phone with these people waiting for these people for 8 hours for a 2.5-minute video call. And it's like, on one hand, I'm really appreciative of the fact that they take such lengths to check and verify your identity. But on the other hand, I was just like, that's 8 hours. This was 8 hours of my day. So while I was waiting for that, I did mark that with a paint swatch sticker from Nitty Designs, some Vine Deco with Honey Inked, and the FaceTime cell phone is from GP Studio, and then I mark it with the UGG script again. And I do pull in some more deco stickers later because it just looked a little too white spacey for me. But while I was waiting, I did clean my kitchen, so I pull in another third box from the kit. The icon is from Crafts by Towie, along with the dot divider. And then finally, after I got off the phone with them, my husband and I did go to the gym, but I was so dead. I was over it. Like, he could tell I had like zero emotion on my face when I went to the gym. It was just like, I was so done. It was one of those weeks. Jumping over to Thursday, this is the first day of April. And I kind of wish I would have marked that it was April Fool's Day because my husband got me on this morning. He like rigged our sink with like a piece of tape to when I turned the sink on, it sprayed my shirt with water. And I was like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, it's the most simplest thing, but it gave him a laugh. So I was like, okay, all right, you got me. But to mark the first day of April, I pull in a bowstrung box from the Giving Girl. I layer that with some florals and some of the dot banners from Sadie Stickers and the deco pieces from Sadie Stickers as well, just to kind of mark, the springtime, April vibes. I was starting to feel like I was in a much better mood on this day because I had finally gotten like my card taken care of. I finally had like the FaceTime call with the identity people and all of that was taken care of. So like my mood was lifting. So I went to the gym with my friend on this day. I did 2-a-days on this day. So I went to the gym with my friend in the morning and we like killed our legs, had a fabulous workout. So to mark that, I pull in a label from my leftover sticker book and the florals from Florina Paperie and the dumbbells are from the Glitter Mama. Then I wanted to mark that I did my nails, so I pull in a scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The nail polish bottle is from Crafts by Towie. I also had a personal training session on this night, but I didn't mark that. I didn't have enough space because I wanted my last thing to mark in here to be something like super excited that I was really excited about. I marked that I listened to my Office Ladies podcast, so I pull in a label from the kit, and the podcast icon is from Crafts by Towie. And then the last thing I wanted to mark, so I went back to the gym with my husband on this day, and I wrote about this on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that like I was really unmotivated to actually plan because of like how stressed out I was this week. But when I went to the gym on this night, a goal that I've had for a really long time is I want to do free hanging full body weight pull-ups on this, it's just been a goal of mine. I've always been able to do assisted and like I can get less and less on there. And finally my husband was like, just do it. He's like, you can do so much. I feel like you just have a block. And at first I like attempted it. I was like, no, I can't. He's like, you're going to keep telling yourself that you can't until and just make it a self-fulfilling prophecy. So finally I felt this like rush of adrenaline. I jumped up, I grabbed the bar and I did 2 free hanging full body pull-ups, and I just felt like this rush. I was like, oh my gosh, I can do anything. And I just remember thinking the first thing whenever I was on my way home was, I can't wait to mark this in my planner. It was so funny. And then I came back and went through my stash and found this kit, and it was just like I had this new drive, like I was in such a good mood. So to mark that, I pull in another third box from the kit, some more florals from Florina Paperie, and then the dumbbells are from the Glitter Mama. I've talked over pretty much all of Friday, but I feel like that was really important to me, and it's something that I wanted to share is like, having goals is like such a big deal, and when you achieve something, it like makes you so excited, and that's one of the reasons I really enjoy memory planning is because I can look back and go, oh my gosh, that was the day that I did that. But anyways, random rant aside, jumping over to Friday, I'm just marking that I had my Zoom class, and I marked that the exact same way as I marked it on Wednesday. I went to the gym, marked that the same way as I've been marking it all week. This was kind of like my day. I had like nothing to do on this day, so I took a bath, and after I came back from the gym, I like pampered and treated myself. So to mark that, I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The bathtub is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, on this night, I wanted to mark that I started watching the Trials of Gabriel Fernandez on Netflix. Oh my gosh. My sister told me about it, and it is not for the faint of heart. It's heart-wrenching to watch that. But like I'm all about like true crime documentaries and everything. And I was just like sucked in. I watched almost all of it on this night, and I was just like, I had to take a break because I was getting really emotional about it, but oh my gosh. If you guys can handle it, I recommend it. It's a limited series on Netflix. But to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, some florals from Florina Paperie. The movie night icon is from Crafts by Towie, and then the dot banners are from Sadie Stickers. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that my husband made pork chops. So I pull in another label from the kit, and the apron is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, jumping over to Saturday, I had to mark that I had to get up early on this day because I had another balloon gig. Things in Texas are opening up and people are having events again, so this is the second weekend in a row that I was able to go out and do balloons, which was pretty cool. So to mark getting up early, I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The alarm clock is from Crafts by Towie, and then the flourish is from Panda Bird Design. Then to mark my balloon gig, I pull in another half box from the kit, some more florals from Florina Paperie. The dot banners are from Sadie Stickers, and then the little balloon dog is from Plan Fantastic. Okay, and then I wanted to mark that I finished watching The Trials of Gabriel Fernandez on this night, so I pull in a label from the kit. The TV console icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the Netflix script is a custom that my mom made. Okay, then I wanted to mark that after I finished watching The Trials of Gabriel Fernandez, I had to call my sister who recommended it to me because she was like, okay, when you're done watching it, you have to call me and we have to talk about it. It's kind of like a thing. When she recommends something to me, I watch it and then we call and we talk about it. Or if I recommend something to her, she watches it and then we call and talk about it. It's silly, but I love it. So to mark that, I pull in another frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO. The florals are from Florina Paperie. The flourish is from Panda Bird Design, and the two little deco pieces are from Sadie Stickers. I had so much fun pulling in the deco pieces from Sadie Stickers and really zhuzhing up and foiling up this kit, especially because it was silver. I love the way silver looks, especially with pastels. I think it's so pretty. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband just threw a frozen pizza in the oven because both of us were like, I don't know what to do. So I pull in a label from the kit. The pizza icon is from Crafts by Towie, and then the dot divider is from Sadie Stickers. Okay, jumping over to Sunday. This was Easter Sunday, so to mark that, I pull in a half box that I found in my leftover sticker book, some florals from Florina Paperie, and then the little Easter bunny and nest is from a Sweet Planner deco sheet. I've been kind of saving the Sweet Planner deco sheet to use in my functional planner, but I thought this little bunny rabbit and this little nest was just too cute, and it matched the spread pretty decently. I didn't want this spread to be too heavily Easter bunny related. I wanted the pastels and the florals, but I really wanted this particular box to be oh, it's Easter. And I thought it turned out pretty cute. So the florals are from Florina Paperie, and like I said, the deco pieces are from the Sweet Planner, and then the Happy Easter script is from Rose Colored Days. Okay, and then I wanted to mark that we streamed church on this day. It was a special Easter broadcast. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit. The little church icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the church script is from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that we went over to my brother and sister-in-law's house and had a huge family dinner. Me and my siblings hid Easter eggs filled with candy for our nieces and nephews, and their kids, my nieces and nephews. And we just had a huge potluck style dinner. I brought salad. It was great. But anyways, to mark that, I pull in another Bowstrong box from the Giving Girl, some more florals from Florina Paperie. The deco is from Sadie Stickers, and the house is from GP Studio. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that this was Rachel and Tay's 20th episode of Plans Change, and they were doing this amazing giveaway where they teamed up with Honey Inked and Sadie Stickers, and I won a freaking Sadie Stickers planner. I was like, are you freaking kidding me? I never win things, and it just I'm so excited. I love that Rachel and Tay do this. I'm so glad that they do these Plans Change episodes. It capped off an amazing week. But anyways, here is the final spread, the leftover stickers that I have, along with a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This community is amazing. I wrote on my Instagram that I was having a rough time, and I got so many people reaching out. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.